Hey everybody, welcome back to She Stacks. Happy Wednesday everybody. It's an unboxing day. So this little package showed up a few days ago and I've been dying to open it. And I hope I didn't make a mistake. So here's the thing. I've bought one of these before. So today is not about what's in the box. It's about whether or not I should have bought another one. These boxes are really tricky to open. They're from APMEX. That just means that they're packaged very well. Let's try this a little more. You guys always remind me in the comments that I need to be careful with this knife. I am left-handed and it is very difficult. By the end of this video, I hope you guys can tell me if I made a smart decision or not. So you get a box, and then you get a little pouch, very well sealed. Oh, this one is really difficult to open. Here it is, you guys. And let me open it. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. $20 gold Liberty. Let me get it under the microscope and I will be right back. So we have a 1904 Philadelphia $20 gold Liberty head. This 1904 circulated in a really fascinating time in American history. It was right before the San Francisco earthquake in 1906, and it was struck in the time that Theodore Roosevelt was president. The economy was expanding, automobiles were just beginning to appear on American roads, and the country was in the midst of a rapid industrial growth. The 1904 Philadelphia Double Eagle is actually a really common piece, which makes it a very popular entry point for pre-1933 gold. And the best part about this coin is I don't need to wear gloves because it is considered a call cleaned coin. So now I want to do a little comparison. So there's the one I just received. And this is the one I received 2 weeks ago. And I've been stacking these for 6 years now. So why did I buy this coin? Because I love constitutional silver and gold. And I have a bucket list I need to fulfill. And I'd love to have a tube of these before I kick the bucket. The price is very reasonable. on these types of pieces that are cleaned and considered cull and circulated. A really great price. You can get them under melt. And honestly, you guys, if I saw this on eBay from a trusted seller, I wouldn't think twice about the condition. It looks amazing for over 100 years old. And I shopped around plenty before I purchased this coin. I went on different websites, different dealers, and none of them can compare to APMEX, which is really strange because a lot of people consider APMEX a very pricey dealer, and which I don't disagree with. But this particular coin, they are selling under melt. And there is nothing I hate about this coin. Beautiful. Right now, this is my top pick for purchasing gold. So let's take a closer look at this coin. Look at the luster. The color of the gold. Her facial details. The hair details. The stars. And the eagle. The rim. Any bag marks, any scratches. I don't know, guys, what do you notice first about this coin? And a lot of people have tried to convince me that buying gold right now is not the way to go because they think that it's going to go down further, and they don't know that, and I don't know that. Nobody knows this. So I'm just trying to take opportunities where they exist. What do you think, guys? Would you buy this raw or would you buy this graded? For me, I want to hold it. If the price of gold dropped tomorrow, I would still be happy owning this piece because I would probably pick up another piece. Dollar cost averaging, you guys, and don't go all in. Alright guys, if you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And if you have a friend in mind that is looking for a killer deal on a gold piece, go ahead and share that video with them. And please comment if you have any questions or concerns about my knife skills. And I will see you guys on Friday with a new video. Bye guys.